In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chatgpt in a simple and efficient way. If you've been eager to get Chatgpt up and running on your desktop, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you can start using Chatgpt seamlessly. First things first, you need to open Chatgpt in your web browser. This is your starting point and can easily be done from any device with internet access. Once you're logged in, the interface should look familiar if you've used it before. If not, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main features available directly from your browser. Next, look for a banner that says, "Download the desktop app." This banner is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot as soon as you're on the Chatgpt main page. Clicking on this banner will guide you through the steps to download the application right onto your computer. Now, once you've clicked that download banner, you'll be prompted to choose your operating system. Here, you should select either Windows or Mac, depending on what kind of device you're using. It's important to choose the correct option because the installation files are specific to each operating system. After selecting your operating system, the download should begin automatically. Once it's complete, you'll need to install it just like any other application. On Windows, this typically involves opening the downloaded exe file and following the installation wizard by clicking through prompts, agreeing to terms, and choosing an installation location. On a Mac, you may need to open a DMG file and drag the application to your Applications folder. The process is straightforward and usually only takes a few moments. Once the installation is complete, launch the Chatgpt application. You'll likely be greeted with a login screen. Here, use your existing Chatgpt account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, there should be an option to create one on this screen. Keeping your account credentials handy will speed this process up since you'll need them for access. Congratulations! You're now ready to start using Chatgpt directly from your desktop. Take a moment to explore the desktop version. You might notice it offers a more seamless experience compared to the web version, with faster performance and closer integration with your operating system. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to downloading Chatgpt onto your computer. I hope this helps you make the most of what Chatgpt has to offer. Thanks for watching.